Hello everyone, welcome on your YouTube channel of Lal Bagh Girls Center College. This is Jyoti Singh. Class 10, we have discussed about the excretion in organism. In this part, we are going to learn about the excretory system in human beings. So let's learn about the excretion in human beings.
Children, in this part, we are going to discuss about the human excretory system. So let's start with the introduction. Pranav had recently learned about digestion. He has many questions regarding this. He went to his biology teacher to ask this question. The teacher explained that the human body carries out excretion to remove the waste. The teacher said this process is associated with higher vertebrates to remove nitrogenous waste from the body. Let us now discuss the excretory system and the organ associated with it. Human excretory system contains kidneys, ureter, bladder and urethra. The first part of the excretory system consists of a pair of kidney. Here you can see the human kidneys and the cross section of the kidney. And it has basically divided into two main parts, renal cortex, renal medulla. The kidneys are located in the abdominal cavity. They are formed with an over of million tubular units called the nephrons. So children, this nephron is the unit of kidney. These kidneys have two zones, namely renal cortex and the renal medulla. That means we can divide the kidneys into two major parts or zones, which are called renal cortex and the renal medulla, which is the outer and the inner part. Here you can see in this picture the renal cortex and the renal medulla part. So the kidney is the organ where the urine is formed. So if I ask the question, what is the organ which is important for the urine formation, you will say the kidney. So kidney are the organs, or kidney is the organ where the urine is formed. The kidney purifies the blood from the medullary pyramids with the help of nephrons. The ureter is a thin muscular tube that arises from the end of each kidney. Right here you can see in this picture the ureter, the tube-like structure. The ureter is usually 28 to 30 cm long. It opens into the urinary bladder. Their inner walls are lined with mucosa and it carries the urine. Here is the diagram of urinary bladder, which is connected with the ureter, and inside this bladder urine is collected. At the bottom you get one opening which is called urethra. So the urinary bladder is a pear-shaped structure that stores the urine before maturation. The urinary bladder is present in the pelvic region. The mucosa present in it has numerous folds called rugs that get filled with urine. That means rug means foldings. Foldings are present inside the lining, which is called mucosa. So the urinary bladder has two openings that act as a valves that allow urine to enter. The urethra is a thin membranous structure that conveys urine outside the body. The urethra has three main parts: prostatic urethra, pineal urethra and the spongy urethra. The urethral sphincters are open only during maturation. Maturation is the feeling of urination. So for that we use the term maturation. Let us understand how the excretion process works. The excretion is a process wherein the waste materials from the body are expelled out. The mode of excretion depends on the type of component that is to be excreted. Urea and ammonia are a big part of the component. The excretion involves the kidneys, which are vital for the purification. Here you can see in the picture nephrons. So many nephrons are present and the connections are jointed together and they form a network, right? Alright, so next we will revise it. In human, excretory system consists of four main parts, namely as a pair of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and the urethra. The kidneys plays a vital role in filtering by the help of nephron that filter the blood of the waste, then it is carried out to get excreted. So this is all about the excretion in human beings. At the end, children, you will get one question which you have to write the answer and give your attendance in the comment box, which will give you a class record. If you like the video, you just go and like the video.